If you need to add a new list in MailChimp, the quickest way is to import your contacts into your audience using copy and paste. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can add contacts cleanly, organize them properly, and make sure everything is mapped correctly before you finish. This is perfect if you already have your contacts in a spreadsheet, document, or simple text list and want to get them into MailChimp without uploading a file. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to MailChimp. Sign into your MailChimp account using your email address and password. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand navigation menu and click Audience. This is where MailChimp keeps all of your email contacts and list management tools. Next, click Add Contacts. When the import options appear, choose Copy and Paste. This is one of the easiest ways to add contacts because it lets you paste your data directly into MailChimp without needing to prepare a CSV file or upload a spreadsheet. Now copy your contact list from wherever you have it saved, whether that's Excel, Google Sheets, Notepad, Word, or another document. Paste the contact information into the text box provided by MailChimp. You can include details like email address, first name, last name, and even phone number if you want to add it. Just make sure the formatting is clean and consistent so MailChimp can read everything properly. After pasting your contacts, click Continue. MailChimp will show you a preview of the imported data, and this is your chance to double-check that everything looks right. Review the contacts carefully and make sure the fields have been recognized correctly. If something looks off, it's better to fix it now before moving forward. If you want to keep your contacts organized, this is also where you can add tags. Tags are completely optional, but they can be very useful if you want to separate leads, customers, subscribers, or different groups of contacts. If you don't need tags, you can simply skip this part and continue. After that, MailChimp will ask you to verify the contact mapping. This means checking how the pasted information matches up with your audience fields. Make sure the email address is going into the email field, first name into first name, last name into last name, and any other details are mapped correctly. This step is important because it prevents data from being added in the wrong place. Once everything looks right, click Continue again. Now you'll need to choose the marketing status for the imported contacts. MailChimp may give you options like subscribed or non-subscribed, and you should choose the one that matches your permission to contact those people. It's important to be accurate here so your audience settings stay compliant and organized. Next, review the import summary one more time. Check that the contacts, tags, and marketing status are all correct before you finalize anything. If everything looks good, click Finalize Import. Then, simply click Complete Import, and MailChimp will process your pasted contacts and add them to your audience. And that's it, your new list or contact group has been added in MailChimp using the copy and paste method. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and a great way to get organized without dealing with file uploads. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.